Animals First allows for the tracking of medical costs associated with your animals for both internal cost of care tracking and for charging for medical services that you provide. When the medical costs feature is enabled, you will see a new checkbox in your medical templates. When checked, this box will populate additional fields that will need to be filled out for you to get started with medical costs. The clinic cost refers to how much the medical item costs for your organization, such as the price per vaccine vial from your distributor. The retail cost refers to what you will charge the customer for the medical item, the price that will display on their receipt. For medications only, there is a drop-down selection box to distinguish whether you are entering the cost per unit or for the entire medication. For per-unit items, the calculation is the price per unit times the amount times the number of doses. Here, you can select whether or not this medical item is defaulted to be added to the receipt upon checkout for the specified outcome type. Don't worry though, if you change your mind later, you can still uncheck the item during the checkout process. Medical costs are currently supported for adoption, return to owner, clinic out, and service out outcome types. Clinic and retail costs can be edited at the time that you add a medical item to an animal, just in case you would like to adjust the price on a case-by-case basis. You can also edit the fees after the item has been submitted. All changes made to the medical cost will display in the changelog. Upon checkout, you'll have a new second step in the process. On this screen, you can check and uncheck items to add to or remove them from the cart. You can also update the price here. All medical items from the last intake date forward will be pulled into this list. If you chose to default to always charge the item for the outcome type you are completing, the checkbox will already be selected. All items will display in an itemized list on the receipt.